Hi, Maddie.
Hi, Maddie.
Are you ready to cook?
Yeah.
Dinner?
Yeah.
What are we making?
Chocolate noodles.
Chocolate noodles.
Yeah.
Are you sure it's chocolate?
No.
Maybe chicken?
Yeah.
With
Chocolate
with broccoli. Ooh. With broccoli and Alfredo sauce, right?
noodles.
Well, we started the water boiling with the chicken, and we're heating this pan, and then we're gonna make the Alfredo sauce, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is 2 cups heavy whipping cream. Okay, can you pour it in there? Here, I'll put it right here for you. Okay, pour it in here. Aim for the middle. It's heavy? Okay. Good job. Now, the butter, right?
Butter.
Which butter? That's half a cup of butter. Say half a cup of butter.
Have a kind of butter. Ah.
Okay, hold on 1 second. Hold it, and I'll get the scoop thing. Okay, can we put the last bit in? Stir it carefully. Oh, it's boiling. Okay, you gonna pour the Greek yogurt in? Over the pot, over the pot. Pour it over.
Mommy, it's hot.
Oh, okay. Here, hold them mixing thing. Scoop it out. Scoop it out. That's okay. When it starts boiling, then we're gonna add a cup and a half of cheese. Then we're gonna put the cheese in here. It's not Alfredo sauce if we don't have Parmesan cheese. Then it's butter sauce. Hmm? No. We need this for the sauce, silly.
It's boring.
I splattered it. Mommy's making a mess. A huge mess. Oh, it's boiling.
Yeah.
Oh, what did Mommy do? Let's get this out so it doesn't boil over there. Turn it down. Okay. You gonna pour the cheese in?
Yeah.
Stir it. Pour it in. Careful. Good job.
Now.
And then, and then that's 1 teaspoon of garlic powder and 1 teaspoon of garlic salt. Pour it in. Good job. burn.
Open it up.
And that's pretty much it for the sauce. We just have to combine everything and make sure that the cheese melts. And while we... Okay, that's gonna go in the other pot. We need to put the noodles into the... We're gonna let this sauce simmer on low heat. On low heat while we cook the pasta. And we'll be right back to put the pasta in. Okay, what'd we do? We put the noodles in the... We put the noodles in the pot. And now we're gonna cook it once it starts boiling. Okay, I'll let you stir it. Just 1 second. Let me just make sure they're not stuck to the bottom. For 8 minutes. Okay. Stir very carefully, Maddie. Don't pick anything up. Just keep the spoon in there and stir it around. Okay, that's good. Put that right there. Let me stir this one so it's not sticking. We'll put the broccoli right now when there's about 4 minutes left. Okay? Okay. You want to try it?
Yeah.
No, not throw it. You want to bite it? You like it cooked better?
Yeah.
Hold on. Don't throw that one. You have to get another one to throw in.
Oh.
It tastes the same. Don't throw it in there. You can't lick every piece and then throw it into the pot.
I'm not eating like.
Yeah, don't eat that one. Okay, in about 2 minutes you can throw it in. You excited?
Yeah. I didn't boring. I didn't sleep.
Oh, she fell asleep. Oh.
You wake up.
No, don't wake her up. No, she's sleeping. Your cooking made her sleepy.
Wow.
Should we stir the noodles? Okay, very carefully. Here, so just don't pick anything up, just swirl it.
It's needles.
Don't pick anything up, just swirl it.
Needles. Chicken. Needles. Is this needles?
No, well, it's a noodle and a chicken. Okay, 1 more minute, and then you can put the broccoli.
Let me miss it.
Okay. You know what? You're probably gonna take forever throwing the broccoli in, so throw it in. Ooh,
Let me miss it.
you missed. Don't throw it too hard because then it's gonna splash.
Okay.
And then the splash of what?
Go slow.
Yeah. It'll burn you. Good job.
It's flash.
It splashed. Yeah, you threw that one too hard. Try again. Good job.
No splash.
Yeah, no splash. Good, that was a good one.
Look, floating and chicken. I need to try again. This one, Mommy, it's my another one. And Mommy, chicken. Which one? And what other one? They call it this.
Probably turn this down.
Oh, it's big one. There's not one.
Okay, put it in. You gotta hurry so that all of the broccoli will cook. Hmm? Let me just put a few. Okay? I'll leave you a couple you can throw in. Okay. You can throw all those in. Okay? Throw it in.
No, not sure there.
Okay, place it in. I'm gonna eat the one. Okay, drop.
Yeah, got it.
The sauce is pretty thick. Oh, we gotta put some pepper. We just put a little bit of pepper in there. Just a little bit. Is it ready?
Yeah.
It's cooked? Is it hard?
No, not hot.
Is it just right? Okay, so we're going to strain the pasta
More.
and then add the sauce.
More.
Oh, you want to? Oh, we're gonna strain it. Okay. Okay, so we strained the pasta, got all the water out, right? And now we're going to add the sauce on top.
On the needle.
And then now we're gonna stir it.
And let me show it.
You wanna stir it? There you go.
Hot. Sauce. No one is sauce.
You don't want the sauce. You don't want the Alfredo sauce? Here, you wanna taste it? Tell everybody what it tastes like. There you go. You want a sample? You sure you want a sample? Here you go. Try it. Tell everybody what you think.
It's good.
It's good.
More.
Did we do a good job?
More.
More? Okay, let me put them on a plate so then we can eat dinner.
No.
You just want samples all night long.
Yeah.
And just samples, no dinner, just samples. Okay. That's it. Say thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Say like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.